A gadget is a device or tool designed to make a particular task easier or more efficient. Gadgets can come in various forms and serve a wide range of purposes, from simple everyday tools to complex electronic devices. They can be portable or stationary, mechanical or digital, and range from small and simple to large and complex. Some popular gadgets include smartphones, laptops, headphones, fitness trackers, and smart home devices, such as voice assistants and smart thermostats. These devices are designed to provide convenience, entertainment, communication, and more. Based on current technological trends, here are 5 gadgets that you should buy in 2023. Welcome back to Tech Guide. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss out on any new updates from us. Let's start. Number 5. Perrigo LED Flashlight Gloves. Perrigo LED Flashlight Gloves gifts for men are a unique and practical tool for anyone who needs to work in low-light conditions. These gloves feature LED lights built into the fingertips, providing hands-free illumination while working in dark or dimly lit areas. The gloves are made from high-quality materials that are both durable and comfortable to wear. They are available in different sizes and are adjustable to fit most hand sizes. The LED lights are powered by a battery that is easily replaceable, ensuring that the gloves can be used over and over again. Number 4. Blast Golf Swing and Stroke Analyzer. Blast Golf Swing and Stroke Analyzer is a device designed to improve golfers' swings and strokes by analyzing their movements and providing real-time feedback. The device consists of a small sensor that attaches to the end of a golf club and communicates with a smartphone app via Bluetooth. The Blast Golf sensor captures data on key aspects of a golfer's swing, including tempo, speed, backswing length, and timing. It also provides detailed information on ball flight, trajectory, and spin, allowing golfers to analyze their performance and identify areas for improvement. The device is lightweight and easy to use, making it suitable for golfers of all levels, from beginners to professionals. It also offers a range of training and coaching tools, including personalized drills, video analysis, and customized feedback. Number 3. CLC Leather Pocket Tool Backpack. The CLC Custom Leather Craft 1132-75 Pocket Tool Backpack is a durable and functional backpack designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to carry a wide range of tools and equipment. It features a large main compartment that can hold power tools, a cordless drill, and other larger items, as well as 75 pockets and sleeves for smaller tools and accessories. The backpack is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and water-resistant, ensuring that tools and equipment are protected from the elements. It has a padded back and shoulder straps that provide comfort during extended use, and the backpack itself is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 2. Vulture X Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. The Vulture X Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is a convenient and innovative way to prepare protein shakes and other beverages. It features a motorized shaker ball that is powered by a rechargeable battery, which allows for easy mixing of powders and liquids. The shaker bottle has a large capacity, typically ranging from 16 to 24 ounces, which makes it suitable for preparing protein shakes, smoothies, and other drinks. It is made from high-quality, BPA-free materials that are durable and easy to clean. One of the main benefits of the Vulture X Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is that it eliminates the need for manual shaking or stirring, which can be time-consuming and messy. The motorized shaker ball mixes the ingredients quickly and efficiently, resulting in a smooth and consistent blend. This makes it ideal for busy individuals who want to prepare their drinks quickly and easily. Number 1. Rack Magnetic Wristband. Rack Magnetic Wristband is a wearable accessory designed to make handyman and die projects easier by keeping small metal objects, such as screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits within reach. It features a durable and adjustable wristband that fits most wrist sizes and has several strong magnets embedded on it. These magnets create a magnetic field that can hold metal objects firmly in place, preventing them from getting lost or scattered around while working on a project. The Rack Magnetic Wristband is made from high-quality materials that make it durable and long-lasting. It is designed to withstand rugged use and can be worn in different environments, whether it's a construction site, garage, or workshop. The wristband is also lightweight and comfortable to wear, ensuring that users can wear it for extended periods without feeling any discomfort. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.